Welcome to My Indian Astrology. Today we'll discuss about home plot selection as per Vastu. So first we'll discuss about shape of plot selection. Square, rectangle should be the first preference of any plot selection, and Gomukhi is also auspicious. Apart from these three, for home plot, all other shapes are not permissible, like circle, hexagon, L shape or irregular shape. Now about surrounding roads for plot selection. North facing road or east facing road is auspicious. South or west facing road is not permissible. Now about the T junction, not northeast or northeast. T junction is permissible. Other direction T junctions are not permissible. It will be better if you avoid the T junctions. Some plot surrounding points. A cemetery, mausoleum, crematory, or other places where last rites are performed should not be too close to the property. Avoid buying land that is near to or directly across from a nursing home or hospital. Avoid a plot that is next to or across from a place of worship like church, temple, or mosque. The plot should not be located near a landfill or other place to dispose of rubbish. Avoid a plot close to cell towers, as they are known to emit harmful electromagnetic fields, which will cause generate the negative energy. Avoid a plot which has electric transformer in front of it. Now, it is auspicious if plot has mountains or higher ground on the west or south side. That means mountains or higher ground not permissible on north or east side. Prefer a plot which has water body in north or east side. That means water body in south or west side is not permissible. Now, slope of land. Slope permissible towards north, northeast, or east, and other directions are not permissible. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.